We have this piano that the key, the D key, is not playing. It doesn't sound, it doesn't make any sound. So I'm going to remove this cover in order to see what is happening inside. And also this other cover needs repair, but I don't have the time. Look at this. The D key is not sounding. It doesn't have sound. I see the hammer that is not hitting the string. It's not moving long enough to hit the string, so you can compare it with the other keys and the other hammers. And this is the only one with the problem. Let's try to make a close-up in here to see what's going on. If you can see that little piece red is blocking the key, so maybe it's loose. I'm not planning on taking apart the whole piano because I don't know, I will not know how to assemble it again, but it sounds like an easy fix right now. Looks like it is loose. Maybe just put a little bit of glue in the back. This is the way a piano works for the keys. Looks like this piece, the I don't know what is the function of that key, that piece, but it is that is the problem. So I'm going to just put a little bit of glue in there, wood glue, and attach it to the back like the rest of the other pieces like this one. So I put a little bit of wood glue here. We are going to skip to the part, I'm going to attach it to the back and skip to the part where the glue has dried, and we can test if the piano is going to sound again, for this key at least. Let me just bring someone who does play the piano.